Our first judge is the of Saffron, the territory of music. We also give recognition as the leader of the Presidential Security Group Act, for the honor of military honors, and numerous acts of state. Our third judge is the highly decorated officer of the military army, with a remarkable service record, the Presidential Security Group from February 1, 2017. In addition to his military experience, he also possesses a remarkable talent in nuclear power music. He holds a Bachelor of Physics degree in creative composition and production from the University of Saffron, the territory of music. We also give recognition as the leader of the Presidential Security Group Act, for the honor of military honors, and numerous acts of state.
Yeah, once again, PNP Motorcycle Escort, Alberta Regional Highway Patrol Unit.
Approaching the Inasiluan is the mass followers, unified mass followers. Headed by our City Director, Police Colonel Erwin Rebellion. Mangyari po na matindog po kinagabos sa pangalagin bypass colors. Thank you.
Marching forward are the joint targets of peace and protector of the people in Bicol region, led by the company commander, Captain Rolly Orin Lopez, Infantry Philippine Army, with his executive officer, First Lieutenant J. Bell G. Lupo, Adjutant General Service Philippine Army. The company in total formation is composed of the troops belonging to the three major branches of service. Representatives from the Philippine Army led by Second Lieutenant Ahmad Ivan Bol. Representatives from the Philippine Air Force led by Second Lieutenant Benedictino Aviation Lago. And the representatives from the Philippine Navy led by Lieutenant Armando Rivera Sagarza. Now, ladies and gentlemen, passing before you are the equipment and capabilities of the Infantry Spirit Division. The K-19. The K-9 dogs are used for explosive detection and search rescue operation. The Infantry Squad. Its mission is to close the enemy from east of fire and maneuver, to destroy or capture or retaliate assault and fire, close combat, and counter-attack. The designated marksman or Gilisu. They are an organic part of the fire team and operate together with the main force. They are responsible for providing accurate fires over longer regions. The 21st Cavalry Company in their armored vehicles. The B-150 Commando with dismounted team. The Commando, an armored fighting vehicle, is a common vehicle
Angela Meryl Sicana. Art Director, the Major Moderator, Mr. Alexi Dato. Major Trainer, Mr. Carlson Lapan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City Special Participation. Non-competing.
Vámonos, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City. Patugan, formaltang pembukasan ang satuyang competing secondary schools. Entry number 1. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga, Incorporated. One, Francesca Stefanieva, Band Leader, Chandler Pelvic, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Francis Marion Pinito, Company XO, Cadet Captain Johnson C. Joyce Lydia, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Piloter, Ian Jolie, Evan Rodriguez, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Piloter, Cadet Oshana Alvan, Facilitator, Cadet La Constellation College of Iriga Incorporated. Next entry number 2, 1F Trevino, Memorial High School, Taranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. S1, Jude Enrico Castillo, Core S2, Lindsay Luisa Tabiles, Core S3, Gerald Francisco, Core S4, Major Leader, Charlie Aris, Band Leader, Floyd Cedric Mendes, Company Commander, Russell Vicino, Company XO, Edmundo C. Jr., First Platoon Leader, Boys Jerome A. Umau, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Tisha May Renehen, CAP Facilitator, Henry C. Inspector Mr. Han, Advisor Coordinator, Julio Cesar Gonzalez, Major Inspector, Martin Ramaya, Master Inspector, Raymond de la Cruz, Assistant Public Facilitator, Brian Lamado, Assistant Advisor Coordinator, Entry number 3. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Aloysius Del Rosario, Baal, Camarines Sur. Entry number 3, Kyle Angelo Moncayo, 4S3, Nicole Adeline Taduran, 4S4, Natalie Nicole Visinio, 4S7, Major Leader, Nika P. Baksain, Band Leader, Dwight Howell P. Carmona, Company Commander, Tara P. Rivera, Company XO, Joey Paz, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Mark David, E. Angel, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Luisa Riangela Tama, CAE Facilitator, William Jefferson Vidocor, and Advisor, Mark Del Badon, Major Trainer, Emily M. Maestrado, and Master Trainer, Margaret Lasso. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Baal, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 3. From Rosary School Incorporated from Baal, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 4. From Pararao High School, Pararao, Malatan, Camarines Sur. Abdul Badia, First Platoon Leader, Boys, and First Lieutenant Henderson Murada, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Second Lieutenant K. Salcedo, CAE Facilitator, Lawrence C. Diaz, Band Coordinator, Eddie Kathleen Louis, Major Trainer, Jose Apollo Ray Vivar, Band Master Trainer, Christian Adrian Bata, Jules Mark Bata. Entry number 4. Pararao High School, Pararao, Malatan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 4, Pararao High School from Balatan, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Principal, Bambida L. Ebora. Major Mike Hayden Major Micaela Alcedo S3, Cadet Major Mike Gabriel Gabiaso S4, Cadet Major Ariana Clarity Bintanay S5, Major Leader Mary Hazel Sibenza, Band Leader Chabel Khan Nicolas, Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Cadet Lam, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J.E. Lap, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Vincent J.E. Tuapong, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Eureka May Olson, CET Facilitator, Edward Patricio, Band Advisor, Edward Paro, Major Student, Johan Ayarinota, ESJ Villa, Band Master Taylor, Master Del Rio. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Next entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria Bula, Camarines Sur, Schoolhead, Wenceslao B. Santiago.
Escalante, music ka na.
Una na.